Today we have a very special assembly. It's a little bit different from ones that we've had before.
A lot of our kids don't know why we have November 11th off of school, and I think it's important for them to know and to recognize that it's a federal holiday, and also recognize that we have a lot of our community members who are veterans.
Yeah, I have a veteran in my family. My dad and my great-grandpa.
My veteran is my dad.
My great-grandpa, I think it was him, he jumped out of a plane on D-Day.
We're going to watch a slideshow of essentially our community who represent a lot of our veterans. We have a special guest who is a grandfather of one of our staff members. He's 100 years old and he's a Navy veteran.
I was on a destroyer during the war.
During what war?
World War II.
So we're going to recognize him today, and I think it's going to be really important for students to see him and really recognize and honor and celebrate his service.
It's important for the assembly because it's important for the people to know who served our country and they did a good job on it.
Who basically just honor them and celebrate them.
Our veterans are aging out from some of the major wars, and it's important for them to know that we have veterans in times of war and peace, and we have veterans in our everyday lives, bus drivers, parents, teachers, and it's important for them to know what they are, why we celebrate this day, and how they can be a part of that.